Hi, this is Eric from LD Products, and I'm here today to show you how to replace an HP 6.4 cartridge and your HP Envy Photo 6255 printer. A brand new HP Envy Photo 6255 includes the HP 6.4 black and tricolor setup cartridges. Cartridges are sold in a standard yield size and a high yield or XL size, which offers more prints per cartridge. You'll need to have both of these cartridges installed in your printer in order for it to function properly. If you're getting poor print results, the first thing you want to do is check the ink levels on your printer's display. You can do this by touching the ink droplet on the printer's display. And as you can see, the black ink cartridge is depleted here, and that's what we're going to be replacing today. Replacing a cartridge in this machine is easy. The first thing you want to do is lift up the entire scanner unit and wait for the carriage to center. And you can take out the cartridge you need to replace by gently pulling on it. So we've got the black cartridge here. You can just gently pull out and it'll pop right out just like that. And I've got a brand new HP 64 standard yield cartridge here. Let's take it out of the package and we'll install it into the printer. Alright, so I like to prep new cartridges over a trash can. Sometimes ink can escape from the cartridge when you're removing it from the package and prepping it for the printer. So let me grab a trash can really quick and then we'll continue the process. Okay, so we've got our trash can here, and what we're going to do next is just remove this red piece of tape on the back of the cartridge here. This exposes the vent hole on the cartridge so it can work properly in your machine. While you're doing this, be sure to avoid touching the gold contact chips. The chips are very sensitive and they may not read properly if residue or fingerprint oil accidentally gets on those contact points. Okay, the installation process is very simple. All you gotta do is just slide it back into the slot and gently push down and click. You should hear a click just like that. We'll close up the printer. We'll wait for it to initialize for a few moments. And it's confirming that a brand new cartridge has been installed. You press OK on the display. And we're all set, ready to print. If you're looking to save money on ink, consider purchasing LD brand compatible HP 6.4 XL cartridges. LD brand compatible cartridges are a high yield compatible alternative to the HP brand. They are filled to the same capacity as HP and are backed by an industry best lifetime guarantee. Click the link in the description to get yours today. Thanks for watching.